In a quiet suburb, a teenage athlete awakens to a lingering loss of smell that defies simple explanations. Medical Mystery Solvers interviews the leading otolaryngologist who outlines the initial tests, from nasal endoscopy to tasting panels. The team traces clues through imaging, allergy screens, and a thoughtful review of the patient's exposure history, ruling out common culprits. A resilient researcher discusses how rare immune and metabolic factors can mimic everyday sniffles, guiding targeted therapies like steroids and rehab. As improvements appear, the episode reveals how collaboration across clinicians, researchers, and the family transformed uncertainty into a precise diagnosis.